So it seems that you guys really enjoyed my last styling video. So today I have another one for you. Only thing is I have more things in this video. So do go ahead and grab yourself a cup of tea, grab yourself some popcorn, because it's going to be a lot. So the first item that we're styling is this. Isn't it gorgeous? Spoiler alert, it doesn't fit. So how are we going to sort this out? We're going to work it out together. Hey guys, it's your girl Ayesha, and today I am styling this beautiful dress from Apsanil. Thank you so much for sending it to me, along with the other items that I'm going to be showing you in this video. The only problem is that the dress and the blouse, they both don't fit. It's supposed to be a one size, and I know I should know better, but I saw it and I was like, but it's so pretty and it looks like it's stretchy at the back, surely it will go over me. It doesn't. These are on the smaller side, I will tell you that from now. I reckon if you are up to a UK 12, then you'll probably get away with it. Honey, I'm a size 16 to 18. Just no. There was no way. Like, I tried this on. I'm not going to put you through the stress of seeing what I look like in this as it is, because everything just gets flattened massively. And yeah, I look a little bit ridiculous, but you know, it has got elastic at the back, and I thought, oh brilliant, it will go over me. It doesn't. So if you are of a smaller frame, this will be beautiful on you, absolutely stunning. If you're big like me, it's not gonna happen, okay? But we're gonna work it out. As for this gorgeous blouse, unfortunately I don't think that I can wear it as it is, because it buttons here and here, and it buttons in the bottom, but all of this is just expose, and yeah, that's not very cute. So part of me wants to, you know, maybe cut the collar and maybe wear that with a different top for another day, and maybe to actually cut off the wrists here and wear them as wrist cuffs with what cuffs? Wrist cuffs. And wear it with one of my other dresses. I think that will probably serve me better than trying to squeeze into this. But we are going to pair this with something else, and yeah, we're gonna make it work, don't worry. Now, because I have quite a few different items to show you, what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to work out off camera what I'm gonna pair them with, because yes, I still haven't quite done that yet, and then I'm gonna come back and show you, because otherwise it might take a little bit too long. So when I come back, I will explain to you why I chose everything, and yeah, then you can get a little insight into my thought process, but it won't be as detailed because, you know, we've got things to do. Okay, so as well as this lovely blouse and beautiful dress that doesn't fit me, I also got this really nice sort of very floaty, flowy, very light little jacket slash shawl with sleeves. It's really quite nice actually. I'm not entirely sure what to pair it with, but that's part of the challenge for me. You know, I wanted to pick stuff that I wasn't quite sure about and that I didn't have like a definitive answer for, because it stretches me, you know. I didn't want everything to be totally easy. So yeah, but this, do you know, this actually looks quite nice with this, you know. That's actually quite cute. Imagine if I like tied it right. That's actually quite nice. Well, that's an idea. Now the next item is this t-shirt dress. Now, I know for a fact that this is not going to fit me as a dress, okay? Like, on the website, it's very kind of like oversized looking, but it's on a very skinny girl. So, like, I know that this is not going to be like a dress on me, but more like just a long t-shirt. But I like that it's elasticated in the middle, so you can just sort of like pull that in and like just sort of like cinches your waist in. Got a big fat number 20 on it, because I like tops that have numbers on. I don't know why. I've always liked like varsity jackets with like big letters on and stuff, and tops that have numbers on. I like to look sporty, even though I don't do sports like at all. But I like to, you know, fake it till I make it. But anyway, I also thought that I don't have a lot of purple stuff in my wardrobe. So despite the fact that purple is my favorite color, I needed to have more because there aren't many cute purple things. So I thought, okay, let's cutesify this, but let's also keep it kind of, you know, sporty, kind of trendy. So yeah, I have like a rough idea of what I want to do with this, but I'm not entirely sure. But I will show you when I have come to my final decision. Now this next item is super stretchy, so I know that it is gonna fit, but my goodness, it's absolutely gorgeous. Look at this. Ooh, it's so lovely. So it's made out of this kind of rainbow tulle. I can never say that word. Do any of you have any words that you just can't say? Tulle. Some rainbow netting, okay? And yeah, it's got a little slip underneath it. Personally, I think I would have preferred it if the slip went right down to the bottom, I think. But yeah, it can still work. I've actually just gotten some shoes that I reckon will go very well with this. Still undecided on a top, so I will think about that and let you know in due course. By the way, if I'm getting hooked up, you're getting hooked up too. So check the description box for a discount code. All right. And last but not least, let me just pull it out of the bag, is this. Now this is actually different to the one that I ordered. Not gonna lie, I ordered a different one, but I prefer the one that came. It's this one. Oh my God, isn't it gorgeous? Oh my goodness, that is stunning. That is absolutely stunning. Wow, I love it. I love it more than the other one. The one that I ordered was a bit more kind of tie-dye, but this for me, this is much better, much better. I have plenty of leggings and stuff that will go with this, so I'm not too worried about coordinating this one. I think for me that my biggest challenge will be to coordinate this with something. This pretty floaty netty thing. I'm not quite sure what this is going to go with. Might have to put it with a dress, because I don't know if I've got any tops that will go with it, so I might have to just put it over a dress. So yeah, but also this is going to be a challenge as well, but we'll see. Okay, give me 5 minutes and I will be right back. Who am I kidding? When I say give me 5 minutes, what I actually mean is give me 2 hours to actually like sort out everything. So we're going to skip past all that. And the next thing that you see is going to be me rocking one of the outfits. Okay, bye. Oh yes, honey, we turned that dress into a skirt. A quick fold, a quick tuck, and it was done. No, your eyes are not deceiving you. I am wearing red. Now, this isn't a color that I wear very often, and you more than likely probably haven't really seen me wear it either. But I figured that seeing as there was quite a bit of red in the dress, that I should pull it out by wearing a nice frilly red top with it. And of course, I had to go for a kind of cookie slash chocolatey slash dessert themed accessory. So we have my cookie bag. We've also got my strawberry shaker ring, this beautiful bow necklace from my lovely friend Panda-san, and my hat is something that I actually made myself. I really like the fact that I managed to match up the textures quite well. And also, of course, these shoes, which I made ages ago, which I cannot walk in, but I don't even care. They are so cute, and I think that they really go very well with the whole aesthetic. Now for this summer look, I wanted to go really soft because the piece that I was trying to coordinate was very delicate, and so I wanted to make sure that my colouring was really nice and light and airy-fairy. So the pink and blue in my hair is incredibly soft, and also my boots, they match the pink in my hair as well. My bag is a Cath Kidston bag, and obviously being clouds, it totally matches the dress. I figured that this was the best dress for the job really, because like the frills on the top, it kind of reminds reminded me of like fluffy clouds. Same with the frills on my boots here as well. I feel that it all tied in together pretty well. Now, as for this second summer look, this is completely like the opposite. This is really fun, really playful, and it actually fitted me better than I thought it would. I didn't think that I could actually wear this out as a dress, but with some shorts underneath it, it's actually okay. But I basically just grabbed anything that I had accessory wise that had a bit of purple in it, or that had a cute sort of gamer aesthetic. I made all my jewelry, and yeah, I really love the way that this turned out. This is definitely a really cool outfit for the summer. Please don't mind me fooling around here and almost falling flat on my face. Now, as for this bag, this was actually a very lucky find on eBay. Yes, I totally just got some hair in my mouth at that point. Yes, but this bag, it literally goes with everything that I have. And these shoes were a lucky find for only £10 online. I couldn't believe it. But I feel that they set off the outfit pretty well. Listen, whoever told you that you can only wear like orange or red or brown in the autumn, they lied. You can totally wear pastels as long as you've got yourself a cute little jacket to keep you warm in case it gets a little bit windy. Then just go for it, okay? I was in my element with this outfit because it's very, very me. It's all very fairy Kay. And also my shoes, my new shoes that I got from Koi Footwear. Finally, I've wanted them for so long, but I just thought that they went perfectly with this skirt and this rosette here. I can wear what I like. This is a Miss Lou to You number. I absolutely love it, and it totally is everything that I stand for. And my badges, those are from my lovely friend Neko May on Instagram. Definitely do check her out. But yeah, I just feel that the colours blended together really nicely. It's something fresh and different for autumn. If you're like me, you're not really one for blending in, go ahead and stand out in some really cute pastels. Like, you can definitely rock it. Now, as soon as I saw this jumper, I was like, okay, I definitely have to do a super cute rainbow winter look with this, and no better than Velvet Volcano, trust me. That is where I got my gloves and my hat from. This went perfectly with this outfit. Yes, my necklace, it does light up because in the winter it gets dark quickly and we need to be able to see where we're going. So yes, we're gonna wear a torch. As for my earrings, they're from Sparkle Happy Mama on Instagram. She's fabulous. My leggings are from Kawaii Goods. Basically anything that is rainbow went into this outfit. So there you have it, my darlings. I really do hope that you enjoyed this video and enjoyed this journey with me. I'm trying to be a little bit more transparent with you and, you know, showing you what my thought process is and my reasons behind why I choose to wear certain things together, because I feel that that actually helps you. I got a lot of really nice comments on my last styling video about that, and there are lots of us out there who are, you know, wanting to branch out into dressing a little bit more, you know, flashy or a little bit more different, shall I say, alternative, and don't quite know where to start. I didn't know where to start, you know, like I'm literally just winging it as I go along, but I'm getting a better eye, I think, I'd hope, for things that look good together. And so yeah, this has definitely been a journey for me, and thank you so much for coming on it with me, and I really hope that you've enjoyed the tips that I gave you so far. Once again, thanks so much to Apsanil for sending me these goodies. I really do appreciate it. And if you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss the next one. Take care, my darlings, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.